folks. So don't forget for this one, we're going to be using the first and then the second ending. So you'll play through the double dot speed and go back to the beginning, and then do it again. But instead of playing the first ending, you're going to skip it, skip, and go to measure 5 to the end. Secondly, when you play this song, it's all about articulation. Da, 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 da. So make sure that tongue gets to the roof of your mouth. Separate. And that'll get us the style of the song correctly and the composer's intent. And then finally, a new note for some of you may be in measure 4. This note right here is an A natural or an A, and that's played in second position. If this is your first position, second position is going to be about right here. And if you're not positive, go to your tuner and use your tuner and play your A natural and make sure it says A by itself and it's in the green. And that'll help you figure out exactly where 2 is on your instrument. I hope that helped. Let me know in the comments if it did. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Have a great day.